Number of Coloradans hospitalized from COVID-19 appears to be declining. Highest number of new hospitalizations happened at the end of March and the beginning of April. We've taken Colorado's health department data and plotted the change in hospitalization. This week, the number of new patients and discharged patients is close to zero. Investigator Katie Weiss now joins us from Aurora. And Katie, hospitals are starting to report the number of patients who have recovered and left hospitals.
Dom, we've been getting calls and emails, dozens of them from viewers for weeks now asking about these very stats. And just finally now we're starting to get a glimpse of just how many people are beating this virus.
There's still more cases, but the rate of increase has decreased and the rate of discharge is increasing. So that's great news.
Dr. Richard Zane with UC Health says Coloradans following the stay-at-home orders really seems to be flattening the curve. Since Colorado's first case, all UC Health hospitals statewide have discharged 370 COVID-19 patients total. 200 of those patients were in Denver area hospitals.
There's nothing easy about being a patient. So seeing patients get better and seeing patients get back to their loved ones is just a remarkable feeling.
The state is working with hospitals across Colorado to get discharge rates, and we're told that information should be available by the end of the week. But we still won't have complete statewide recovery rates.
Mostly it's a person power issue.
Dr. John Douglas with Tri-County Health says tracking recovery data is an intensive process.
Frankly, we don't have enough person power right now to go back and call people once or twice or three times to figure out what's going on with them.
Boulder County has been tracking its recovery rates. So far, 116 COVID-19 patients of 286 have recovered in that county. Doctors say the vast majority of people do recover, but to help out the hospitals, Dr. Zane urges everyone to continue staying at home.
It's really up to the citizens of Colorado to comply with social distancing, and you will determine our fate.
And I'll continue to check with the state health department for that statewide hospital discharge data. I'll let you know as soon as I get it, as soon as it's released. Live in Aurora, I'm Katie Weiss, covering Colorado First.
We know you will, Katie. Thank you. And this